Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial you will learn how you can add emojis to your pages on Notion without using any external emoji library. So let us get started right away. It is actually no rocket science, guys, so head over to your page on Notion, and as you can see I added one of these emojis for demonstration purposes. So let me, for example, access a new line and add a second emoji to that line here. So if you're accessing Notion, for example, via Windows OS, you may use the following trick. Simply press and hold the Windows key on your keyboard and press the dot key, and that is going to give you access to that emoji library. So here you may go through that list, for example, go by various categories, like for example emojis, activities, sports, travel, and so on and so forth, and select the emoji you would like to apply, like that one or that one, and so on and so forth. And as you can see, it has been added. Now we can copy it, paste it, and so on and so forth. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching and see you next time.